Hey, what is up, everyone? This is Ken here. Welcome back again to TechCurrent YouTube channel. This is a very interesting update about Xiaomi Gallery. If you're using MIUI device and if you know MIUI 13 is coming, and maybe this could be the MIUI 13 Gallery feature what we have right now. All the new features, all the interesting things are already included. For example, the create PDF, adjust, cast, set as wallpaper, start slideshow. Everything what you need is already present in this gallery. But including that, if you move to the edit option and move on to the erase option, now you have a new option called remove people. And honestly, it is actually a magic. It works great. I've tried a lot of tools, and this one in this Xiaomi Gallery performs quite great. We have all these people available here for you, and you can see now we have, if you want to remove any people from here, for example this, you need to wait for some time and it will remove that people from this picture. It will take quite bit of time, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and you can see boom, it's done. It's actually looking quite good. You want to remove this, you can, as you can see, for example this, you can. This is how you can remove the people from the picture. And from the normal thing, if you watch it from a little bit from far away, you'll see this looks perfect, and this is a great editing. By the way, if you go and force and check out sometimes by while zooming in, and if you check out this, you will see some things are different here. For example, you can see this is not a proper editing, but something is better than nothing, of course. And this is a great implementation in this new MIUI Gallery update, and I think so it's one of the best ones out there what I've tried so far in Xiaomi, or might be a good feature, a great feature in MIUI 13 Gallery. I'm not sure if this is a MIUI 13 Gallery or not, but this might be. But a modded MIUI Gallery version, all the credits, all the thanks goes to the developer who made it possible. This one is a Magisk module, by the way, as this is a Magisk module, so make sure you have the latest Magisk version installed. The latest Magisk version while making this video is version 23, and I'm using the stable Magisk. I'm not using the Canary version. Canary version of course has some bugs, so I would recommend you to use the stable version only, as some users were getting some issues with the Canary version. The module which I was talking about is called Mi Gallery with remove people feature by developer Modder Hacker. MIUI Gallery with people removing feature like magic eraser and extra UI features, etc. I removed it. And also let me show you one more thing. If you're able to see, this is the boot animation. This is the boot animation which I have applied on my device, and if you want to check out this boot animation, I made a video on my Hindi channel, so make sure to check out that. You can also get this boot animation on your device, and this boot animation looks good. Now we have just rebooted our device. Let me show you how you can install this gallery. By the way, if this is not working for you, no, just don't complain here, because some modules will work for you, some modules will not. And yes, if it is working for you, it's great. If it is not, hard luck, or you can try out some other MIUI based custom ROMs. No one can guarantee you about any module. Click on the file. This might be around 90 MB, so make sure proper internet connection to download, because this is 90 MB, so it means a lot for some of the users. After downloading, it will take some seconds, few seconds to install, and you're good to go. Very simple things, and after that reboot your device and you're good to go. This was all. Thanks for watching. I think so you like this video, and if you like this, don't forget to share this. I'll see you next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.